Get from this to this in a few minutes. First, you sketch your car concept. Then you copy your sketch to NanoBanana using Google's AI Studio. Prompt NanoBanana to generate renders of the car from your sketch. This will take a few seconds. Remember to save the renders. Upload the renders from NanoBanana into Tencent's 3D Hunyuan AI. You will have to sign up first and translate to English from Chinese. Let the AI do its thing for some minutes or less. And there you have it. A full 3D model of your car concept. Full with texture, white mold, albedo and normal views. You can also save in various formats from OBJ to GLB. This is a great way to have a template to start your concept car 3D mockup. You can import your concept car model into Blender for more edits and modeling options. You can now go from sketch to concept models in a blink. What do you think? Is this a cool use of AI or what?